this is how we can check the step count on the iPhone. At first, let's start with a method which works for everyone, and it is using the Health app. So the Health app, the white icon with a heart icon on it, you can get inside like this. And make sure you are on the main page. The first thing you probably see is the summary, but I want you to click on the magnifying glass, the search icon in at the bottom right. So you tap on it like this, make sure you go to this like search mode, and you want to tap on activity, which is the first thing at the top. And this is going to give you the things which it knows about you and your activity, and steps are definitely going to be somewhere in here. So you can see the steps as such, and you can browse the data. So at first you get to click on the day. You can see the daily steps, yesterday, today, and so on. Or you can go back in time, see the exact date we are talking about, or switch to the weekly mode, monthly, or 6 months, and so on, and you'll get the data. So if you don't wear the Apple Watch, it only uses the data from the iPhone itself. If you have it in your pocket, you can walk around and it tracks the steps. But if you have an Apple Watch and if you want to track the steps using this or even other fitness tracker, then instead of the Health app, check out the Fitness app, which looks like this, and it is also pre-installed on your device. So you can get it there, and this is now going to track the calories and so on. But in the activities, you should also be able to find these steps right there. For me, it doesn't say much, because I don't have it set up this way, but that's essentially it. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.